gonna show y'all how to deslime some okra. Of course, after you cut out all your okra, then you're gonna start the desliming process. See how slimy this is? It's not supposed to be like that. Don't eat that like that. It's real slimy. Don't eat that like that. And please make sure y'all wash your hands as you go. Clean. You're gonna put your fire on about medium high. I got it on 7. Then you're going to need some oil. And let that all get all at the bottom of your pot. Right? And the main thing that you need to deslime okra is the okra. You're gonna put all your okra in the pot. The oil don't have to be hot whenever you put the okra in. It just has to be there. You hear that? I know you hear it. Well, you're gonna let your okra fry with the grease, and then we'll be right back. After maybe 2 minutes, you come back and you stir it up. You're just basically stirring it so all of the okra can get to the bottom of the pot. See all that slime? You don't want that slime. If it's slime, it ain't right. Alright, after maybe 10 minutes or so, it is time to start the desliming process. I'm going to put you some vinegar. Do a little bit vinegar at a time. I'm gonna stir it in. You see it's still slimy. So let's stir it in nice and good. It's still slimy, right? You see? Still pretty slimy. So you're going to add more vinegar. I'm going to stir it in. So that's how you deslime okra until it's not slimy anymore. See that? It's a big difference. Big difference. Now if you want, after you're done desliming your okra, you can put it in the freezer. You can finish cooking it, or whatever you would like to do. But this is the video of desliming okra.